Hi, Caleb. What you doing?
You do it.
Caleb, what you doing? Hey, Boogie. Hey, what are you doing? You gonna give the stick to Bella? Huh? That's Papa's feet. You got Papa's foot. Yes, you do. Can you say hi? Uh-oh, a ball. Should you throw the ball back to Gio? Good. Go ahead. Give it back to Gio. Can you give the ball to Gio? Can you give the ball to Gio? Huh? Give it to him. Oh, good boy. Give it to Keelan. Give it to him. Well, he's trying to give it to you, yeah. He keeps rolling it to him.